Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be talking about Patanjali Body Oil. Patanjali these days is becoming a big brand because of the cheap yet effective products. Their products are mainly made up of natural and Ayurvedic ingredients. Self has used this Patanjali aloe vera gel and was quite impressed with it. So I thought let's give it a try for another products, and I bought some more products and will review it for you guys in the future. So now coming back to this Upton. Yes, everyone must have used an Upton in their life because it's very common in India. And Upton is nothing fancy, but it is mainly a mixture of all the natural ingredients. Let's start with the packaging. So this Patanjali Body Upton comes in this packet form, which is 100 grams and is priced at ₹60. The Upton is in powder form, so you can store it directly in this packet or you can transfer it to another bottle. The composition is quite impressive. It consists of jadapa, almond, red lentil, black gram, barley, mustard seeds, soya bean, rice, almond, turmeric and camphor. Total 10 ingredients are there. And now coming to the fragrance, it is a bit strong in the starting, but after some time you will actually like it. It really smells of camphor, cloves and turmeric. Now I will give you the demo how to apply it on your face. So let's start.
This is the Upton and this is the rose water. You can see the Upton. It's very finely milled and it's not harsh. So what you will do here, take the gulab jal. There is no measured quantity. You just have to see it and it gets mixed properly. Need more. If we have to form a thick paste out of it, this is the perfect consistency of the Upton.
Adequate quantity on your palms, rub it, massage it like this and apply it on your face, avoiding the eye area. Massage it gently in a circular motion. I mainly concentrated on the nose or the chin area because I have blackheads and whiteheads. So like this you have to massage for a good 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes you can see the Upton is completely dried off and it's falling off from my face. I hope you can see I can easily rub it off and it's coming out the Upton. So now you have to wash your face. So this is my face after washing the Upton. It's a bit drying for me, so I need to moisturize it after half an hour. What I liked about this Upton, first, it is very cheap and you can easily get it in any market, local market. Second, it is travel friendly. The packet form, you can actually carry it in your bag wherever you are traveling to. Third thing, it gives an instant glow to my face. As fourth point is that it removes the blackheads and the whiteheads temporarily, not completely, temporarily, only for a day or two. Fifth thing, I have an oily face, so it removes the oil and the dirt from my face very effectively. Applied only on my face in the video, but you can apply it all over the body, as I have told, massage very gently with it. And the exfoliation is very good. It removes all the dead cells properly without being harsh to your skin. It can be a bit drying for dry skin people, so you can use it instead of rose water, you can use it with curd or milk or honey, anything. So this is all for today, and please like this video and please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back again with another review or DIY in this week, or I guess in the next week. So till then, take care, bye bye.